Catnap nods. Well, I guess we'll see you later then. She says, take care of yourself, okay? The other critters all wave goodbye and then walk away. Crafty is left alone with Dogday. Dogday's sneeze is stopped as soon as Crafty touches his nose. How did you know that was going to happen? He asks her. That was really impressive. He says, you must really care about me. Come on, you know it's true, he says with a smile. You're staying here with me, even though I'm really sick. Are you trying to stop me from sneezing? He asks. Because it's not working.
Talkie, Dream AI, Wonder Kingdom.